Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some of the best skincare products that are life-changing. If you're new, hi, my name is Deepa and I make makeup and skincare videos, and I recently launched my cosmetic line PARI. Our first product is PARI brushes, a full set of faux goat hair makeup brushes, and our second product is PARI lashes, which is what I'm wearing today. And if you want to know more, I'm going to leave the link in the comments down below. Alright, now on to the skincare video. I have tried so many skincare products. Some of them worked great, some of them were okay, and some of them caused me crazy breakouts. But today I'm going to share with you some of the best skincare products that I always go back to. My favorite skincare brand is Laneige, which is here. Laneige products are highly water-based products and it has never caused me any breakouts. It has products that are good for teenagers and for anti-aging too. Not just Laneige, I have some other products which are really good for skin too. Today I'm going to show you my morning skincare routine. And obviously this is not morning because I'm filming it at midnight because I don't have time to film it in the morning. And now I'm going to remove my face makeup and zoom you into my morning skincare routine. Alright, I'm going to sound like I'm whispering because I'm recording this voiceover at 3 a.m. in the morning. So now I have some BB cream on my face, so I'm just going to remove it with some makeup remover wipes. The first product that I'm loving is this COSRX Good Morning Gel Cleanser. It is a gel textured cleanser, great for oily skin but does not dry out your skin. It also helps to remove light makeup as well. How I like to use it is I learned this trick from Alexandra Girly Talks. This is called dry cleansing, and basically you do not wet your face and apply the cleanser on your skin like a mask all over your face and massage it in for 30 seconds. And slowly add a tiny bit of water and massage for another 30 seconds. This way the cleanser really sticks into your skin and removes the dirt and oil as you rinse with water. Now let's look at my skin. As you can see, I have a lot more acne marks than I usually do. 2 weeks ago, all these red spots which are now healed, they were super active and just so crazy. So I tried doing the dry cleansing and used aloe vera gel mask daily, and I also went to get a bionic facial at Innovate Aesthetics, and finally my skin is getting so much better. Okay, so now for toner, I'm using the Hydra Mist from Laneige, which is what I got from YesStyle, and I love it. It is so refreshing and hydrating. And for serums, I am using two serums from Is Clinical, Hydra-Cool serum and Active serum. I was introduced to these by the nurses in Innovate Aesthetic Medispa, where I went to get my facial at. And yes, you can get these there if you are in Hong Kong. The first serum I use is the Active serum. This serum is crazy, one of the best and effective serum I have tried. Now what does this do? Is Clinical Active Serum provides anti-aging, anti-acne, and brightening effects. It softens the skin's texture and reduces the appearance of large pores, hyperpigmentation, redness, and acne, leading to a clear and healthier looking complexion. And yes, all you oily ladies out there, I said oily ladies, or gentlemen, if you have oily skin with large pores, this serum helps you with oil control, therefore reducing the appearance of large pores. Apply it only on the areas where your skin is oily but with no open wounds. Within 1 week of using it, I started noticing the difference, and it stings a little bit, but it's more like a cooling sensation. It's great for oily, acne-prone skin. Next is the Hydra-Cool serum. Hydra-Cool serum contains the powerful healing antioxidant with vitamin B5, hyaluronic acid, kojic acid, and soothing menthol. It works to hydrate and nourish the skin while providing intense protection through antioxidants. It's ideal for all ages and all skin types, including sensitive skin. I just love love the refreshing feeling of it as it has menthol in it. Now I know these are on a higher end side, but it's definitely worth the money and a little goes a long way. Again, if you want to get these, you can find it in Innovate Aesthetics Medispa in Hong Kong, or there's some links in the description bar if you're outside Hong Kong. Now moving on to moisturizer, your girl is back to Laneige. This time I'm going for anti-aging. If you're 25, you can start using anti-aging products. The sooner the better. This is the Laneige Perfect Renew Cream and I got it from YesStyle.com. I get 90% of my skincare products from YesStyle as they have every popular brands and the shipping is very fast too. I fell in love with this moisturizer the moment I started applying it on my skin. I have always been a big fan of Laneige skincare products, but goddamn, this is my most favorite moisturizer. It makes my skin so soft and hydrated. Best thing is it does not linger on the surface of the skin. It absorbs into the skin very well and also forms a protective moisture barrier on the skin. I love this. Now onto the eye cream. I got this travel size skincare set from Laneige Perfect Renew range. I am crazy in love with the eye cream. In this trial kit you also get the Perfect Renew Regenerator Serum. This is great to bring along with me on a flight. The eye cream, I think I only used it 3 times and I just love the formula. I can already tell that it's so good for your skin on the eye area. And finally, let's not forget to have a shield of sun protection on our face. I'm currently loving this Japanese brand UV Cut Spray. Unlike other UV spray, this feels more like a hydrating mist and does not feel too greasy and has a refreshing smell. Nothing too perfumey, so I love this. Never start your day without a sunscreen shield. And lastly, a lip balm. Again, I am totally in love with this glowy lip balm from Laneige. I'm not a lipstick girl. I love this lip balm as it's very moisturizing and it has a non-sticky gloss on it, so it's perfect. And that was my morning skincare routine and my most loved skincare products lately that are actually really life-changing. If you use any of these products, please do share with us in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I really hope you find it helpful. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also check out my cosmetic line, PARI. I'm going to leave all the links in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!
You know what to do. Keep your love for me only. I get high on you, yeah, you.